Let's learn and grow. J. J is for jellyfish. Let's make it. Let's start with the cute eyes. Let's make a bell-shaped body. Then we will make the oral arms. And now the tentacles. Few bubbles, of course. Let's add some seaweeds, corals, and a clamshell. That's good. Let's see how the colors make it pop. So let's color it. Let's start with light blue as a base. Now pink highlights. A bit of violet. Now combination of violet and pink in the oral arms and tentacles. Blue into two coral, orange and brown in the next one. Now lighten dark green in the seaweeds. In the clamshell, violet and pink. Orange in the sand and light blue in the bubbles. Let's blend the colors smoothly. At the last, a bit of finishing touches. eyelids of our jellyfish are amazing. And the rest of our drawing is so colorful. I love it, don't you? Thank you for watching. For more videos, check the links in the description. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.